Welcome back, guys. It's day 2, our percussion instrument day. But let's just take a moment to greet one another. Good morning, all my friends. How are you? Good morning, all my friends. How are you? We are here to learn and play and have some fun today. Good morning, all my friends. How are you? Good morning, all my friends. How are you? Good morning, all my friends. How are you? I hope you're well today and that you have some fun. Good morning, all my friends. How are you? Boys and girls, today you are going to create your own tambourine. Your own tambourine. So here, remember teacher showed you what the tambourine looks like? Alright, so you've got your own tambourine that you're making today. The teacher did make one that you are going to make, and it looks like this. It's a rainbow tambourine. It's got little bells on. So if you shake this, you can also hear the sound. And if you hit it on your hand, you can also hear the sound. So all the instructions are in your packs, guys. Just ask mommy to help you to create your own rainbow tambourine. Boys and girls, your second activity for today would be discovering the xylophone. So teacher has an actual xylophone with me. I did put all the instructions for this activity in your pack, but let's just take a quick look at the different activities that you can do with the xylophone. Firstly, you can listen to the different sounds they make. So if we hit them, you can listen to the different sounds the xylophone makes. The plates on the xylophones are rectangles. Alright, then we will count the many plates there are. So this one has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Alright, this one has 8 plates. Boys and girls, we're also going to look at the colors of the plates. So this is red, orange, yellow, light green, dark green, light blue, dark blue, and purple. Alright, the base of the xylophone is brown. Alright, and the sticks we use are usually made out of wood. And all the instructions again are in your pack. Boys and girls, for your third activity, you are going to be making a color water xylophone. So I'd like you to join me in watching the following video clip that I added for you. Hi guys, you are going to make your water xylophone today for activity 3. Alright, so what I'm going to do with you now is I'm going to show you the color combinations that you guys are going to make. But all the other information is in your pack, so please have a look-see at that as well. Ask mommy to help you with this. So in front of me, I've got a straw that I'm going to use for mixing. But in front of me, I have 1, 2, and 1 more. Alright, container that I'm going to use for color mixing. Alright, so this is what you guys are going to be doing at home for teacher as well, to mix the colors. So first we're going to start with our primary colors, which is blue, red, and yellow. So let's start with pot 1. In pot 1, we are going to put yellow. Alright, so here is our pot 1 with yellow. So we're going to put some yellow dye in there and then give it a quick whirl. Can you see that that is yellow? Alright, so now let's move on from yellow to, which color do you think? Blue or red? Let's go with blue. Blue is teacher's favorite color. So here is our other pot with clear water in. Alright, the pots I'm using, guys, is basically just coffee pots, glass jars. Alright, so here I have my glass jar, and I'm going to add some blue coloring in there, and then give it a quick stir with my straw. So that is blue, guys. Can you see? Blue. Right. And then lastly, we have our red. Let's see. We have our red. So here we go. Got our red. Can you see? our red coloring. So we're gonna mix so that we can get red. Okay. So this is our blue, our red, and our yellow, which is our primary colors. So we can get a different color when we mix a primary color with another primary color. So say we were to mix, let's think, red and yellow together, then we would get orange. So let's use our red and we add some yellow in there. Alright, let's see if this turns orange when I stir it. It did turn a little bit of orange, guys. Look, it's not as red anymore. It did do a little bit of orange. And then if we add blue to yellow, we will get green. Let's see if that works. Some blue in there. Can you see? We add some blue in there and we give it a quick stir. Let's see. Let's give it a quick stir. And it makes green, guys. It made green. Can you see? So this is what teacher would like you to do. Now if you have your 6 jars in front of you like teacher asked, you are going to have one with blue, one with red, and one with yellow in it. Alright? And your other 3 jars is going to have 2 colors in it because it's going to mix. So if you mix red and yellow together, you will get orange. If you mix yellow and blue together, you will get green. And if you mix blue and red together, you will get purple. Alright, so you guys are going to do that activity for teacher at home. But the other thing teacher would like you to do is to remember to only add little bits of water, a little bit more every time, so that you can have a water xylophone to play. That is when we are going to use the water xylophone to make sounds. Can you hear? So if you hit on the glass jars, you can make sounds as well. And if you have different levels of water in the jars, it will make different sounds. Alright guys, so please do this activity at home for teacher. Mix the colors and then make some sounds. Alright. And for your last activity today, boys and girls, you are going to create and play with shakers. Alright, so here in front of me I have a plastic bottle with marbles in it. Listen to this sound. Alright, I have a plastic container, a tub with glass pebbles in it. Have a look, see, it's a glass pebble. Alright, and if I shake it, it makes this sound. And then we have our shaker that we made with our toilet roll. And we have our maracas here that we can shake to make music. Boys and girls, I hope you have a great day discovering how you can make shakers, making your tambourine as well, alright? And all the other activities that we planned for today. Have fun, guys. Teacher will see you tomorrow. Bye.